Fox 28. Good Day Columbus starts now.
Well, it is short season once again. Today, officially summer. And if you're covering up because you're embarrassed about your legs, there is a simple solution. Dr. Jeffrey Donaldson is here. He's a local plastic surgeon. All right, so it's called spider veins. We've all seen them, but what exactly are they?
Spider veins are small blood vessels that are superficial and right under the skin.
Yeah.
They're caused by anything from genetics. Women tend to get them more than men. Obesity, people who stand for long periods of time. And they're easy to treat.
Is this the same as a varicose vein?
It's a little bit different. Varicose veins are a little deeper. They can cause a feeling of heaviness and fatigue. Really need to be treated by a vascular surgeon.
Now, what about, so a spider vein, this isn't necessarily a vein thing, pardon the pun, because it can actually be painful, right?
Spider veins typically aren't painful.
Okay.
They're cosmetic problems only, and they're treated non-surgically.
So it's the varicose veins that can actually hurt.
Correct.
All right. So we see them on the legs. What can we do to treat them?
There are two options mostly. Some people like to use lasers. I tend to favor sclerotherapy. It's a simpler process in which a hypertonic saline or concentrated salt water is directly injected into the vein. Lasers can tend to be a little more expensive, more time-consuming, can also affect the overlying skin, whereas a direct injection takes care of the problem itself.
Okay, and we were looking at a before and after picture. We're going to look at another before and after picture. This looks like it was done right around the nose area here. And did you submit these pictures? Do you know what we're looking at?
I did.
And how did you treat this?
These were directly injected with the concentrated saline solution.
Okay.
This is after one treatment. Typically results tend to be seen within a week or two, and sometimes repeat treatments are necessary.
Okay, so how long do the results usually last? Is this forever?
The results are permanent, yeah.
Wow.
The spider veins can return in a different area, but once they're treated in a specific area, they shouldn't return there.
Okay, and how much does it cost to have something like that done?
Around $500.
Okay, so $500 for a lifetime.
Yep.
It's a pretty good deal. Are there any other treatments out there available right now aside from the laser and the injections?
Those are the primary modes that are used at this point.
All right. Well, all right. Can they actually, the last question I think is really, can these lead to other serious problems, or is it just?
It's really a superficial disease, and again, it's easily treated in the office, and it generally does not have any side effects or other untoward results.
All right, so it's not something we should really worry about if we see it?
Not at all.
All right, Dr. Jeffrey Donaldson, thank you for joining us this morning. We appreciate it. Lisa, over to you.